In today's video, we're gonna learn how to get AI manga filter on TikTok. So as you all know that there is a new filter on TikTok which is the AI manga. Now everyone wants that filter and people are simply not able to get it. Now you can try out a few things, but it is not absolutely sure that you're gonna get it. Firstly, make sure you search it on TikTok. Let's open up TikTok first. Now let's search it on the FX tab right here. Tap on this plus icon. Now you can search right here for AI manga. And if you find this filter, great, but if you don't, you can head back and head over to the Play Store or the App Store and search for TikTok and update your TikTok app. And even if you update it, you still don't find it, the last thing you can really do is down below you can see an option of beta program. Currently it is full, but when it becomes available you can try out the beta version, because beta versions are the test versions or the latest versions of any apps. So that's why these beta versions should have the latest features or the latest filters that are available. So that's the only thing that you can do to get the AI manga filter on TikTok. So if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And that's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.